Robinson.
And my name is Janae Kilgore.
And our science project is called Bouncy Eggs.
And our question is,
which vinegar would make a better rubber egg? The one in white vinegar or the one in red wine vinegar? And our hypothesis is,
we think the egg would bounce higher from white vinegar because there is alcohol in red wine vinegar, which would affect the egg's ability to bounce higher.
Let's go test it out.
Yeah.
With your parents' supervision,
Boil the eggs.
And now we'll come back in 5 minutes
And put the eggs in the vinegar.
See ya! We're back! Now that our eggs have been boiled, I'm putting my egg in red wine vinegar.
And I'm putting my egg in white vinegar.
Now we're going to place our eggs in the vinegar with the shell still on.
And now 2 to 3 days, the eggs shall be ready. And then we'll check on them tomorrow.
Can't wait to see what the eggs are going to look like tomorrow.
Me too.
This is the completion
Of day 1.
As you can see, my egg in the red wine vinegar has almost all of the peeling eggshell has peeled off. Last night, a couple of hours later, after you put the egg in, it was floating up and down for a few seconds and then it stopped. But as you can see, it's still rising to the top. Janae, what happened with your egg in white vinegar?
Well, my egg stayed down, and then it started fizzing in a couple of minutes too. And then a few hours later, it started to frizz up. And as you see here, the egg is peeling off. It's not even looking like a peel anymore.
Well, that's it for day 1.
I can't see what's going to happen tomorrow on day 2.
Me too.
Bye.
This is the completion of day 2.
Hunter, what does your egg look like?
Well, since yesterday, I've noticed that the top of the egg, the shell is still on. And the rest of the egg, it's soft and it's dark because the acid is breaking it all down. And the remains of the shell is still on because the acid has also broken that down as well. Janae, what's happening with your white vinegar?
Well, when I saw it today, I thought it was hard, but when I started to touch it, it was really soft because it started to rub off. And the acid from the vinegar, which made and the eggshell right here, it looks very brownish. And from the acid of the vinegar, that made the eggshell come off. And then me and Hunter, you saw some white little specks of that we think is sulfites, but we're not sure. Hunter, I can't wait to see what's happening on day 3.
Me neither.
Oh my God, it's going to be so exciting.
I know. It's day 3, the last day.
Hunter, how is your egg coming out?
Well, I was seeing to see if the acid had broken up the eggshell on the top because it wasn't broken down yet, but everywhere else it was. And it's not yet, but maybe when we take it out, it'll break off. I also noticed that the vinegar is brown and it used to be red. I wonder why. Janae, what's happening with your white vinegar?
Well, you can see that the egg is not fizzing anymore and that the vinegar is really flat and that all the acid ate up the vinegar. And then we take it out, and then we'll take it out of the vinegar, and then we'll see if the eggs bounce. I can't wait for the eggs to bounce.
Me too. I'm peeling off all the extra skin and shell remaining on my egg. Janae, what are you doing?
And I'm peeling off the rest of the skin, which I think might be the eggshell off of this egg too.
It's finally time to see if our eggs are going to bounce. Will my egg bounce in red wine vinegar?
Or will my egg bounce from white vinegar?
Let's test it out. I'm so scared. That one didn't really bounce. Let's see if Janae's.
Mine's got the same thing as Hunter's.
Let's try again.
Now let's try mine.
It's not working.
It seems like Hunter just keeps rolling. It seems like Hunter just stays there and mine rolls forward when I bounce it.
Mine kind of bounces.
Our hypothesis was correct. Woo!
We were right. Our egg and white vinegar bounced the furthest.
And after a few times of bouncing an egg, it can start making a crack. So be careful of that.
Yeah.
And have fun. Bye.